Okay, so for today's lesson, you're gonna need some paint, water, and a paintbrush, and then we're gonna use something called oil pastels. Oil pastels are kind of like crayons, except for they're softer, and I'm gonna show you a cool trick you can do with them. So I'm gonna start off by drawing a design today with my oil pastels. I chose a white oil pastel today to draw my design. Can you see my design? I wonder how I'm gonna make it so that you can see what I'm doing. One thing you should know is I'm pushing hard with my oil pastels. I'm not drawing lightly, I'm pushing hard. All right, let's see what I can do next. So next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make sure my brush is really wet and I'm gonna get lots of paint on my brush. So I'm gonna wiggle it around in my paints a bunch. I'm gonna get lots of water and lots of paints on my brush, and then very gently I'm gonna start painting over my oil pastels, and you'll notice that my design starts to appear. So I'm gonna paint my whole page with oil pastel, or with my paints, and looking for all the oil pastel designs that I did. Now you don't have to draw with white oil pastels, but it is kind of fun to see how the oil pastel designs start to show up. So the reason why this happens is because oil pastels have something in them called oil, which makes them resistant to water. So oil and water don't mix together, and when the water goes over the top of the oil pastels, it doesn't want to stick to it, so it moves to the sides. Pretty cool. Ta-da!